How to add visual noise in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure you are in the Edit tab. Select the clip where you want to add the noise effect and go to the color workspace by clicking on the color tab at the bottom. Next, create a new node by right-clicking in the node editor and selecting Add Serial Node. This new node will hold the noise effect so you can adjust it separately from your main color grading. Now, go to the OpenFX panel on the right side. In the source bar, type noise and look for the film grain or noise effect depending on your version of DaVinci Resolve. Drag and drop the effect onto the new node you just created. After applying the effect, you can customize the noise settings, adjust parameters like size, amount, and softness to control how intense or subtle the noise appears. Smaller size values create finer noise, while higher amounts increase its visibility. Finally, preview your clip to make sure the noise effect looks balanced and enhance the mood of your video without distracting viewers. And that's it. Now you know how to add visual noise in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.